Hi, Bess Dickson here, and I thought I'd share with you today probably the number one question I hear from clients coming in from other states into Texas. They look around. All right, Bess, so where's the basements? So why are basements not the norm for homes here in Texas? Well, there's two reasons. Number one reason is land is pretty inexpensive here in North Texas area, and so it's relatively cheap just to grow out versus down. All right, and why is it so costly to go down? Well, because of the type of soil we have. It is a funky, sticky, black clay soil. I mean, what kind of clay is it? Well, it's that kind of clay that if we formed it into a plate and baked it, well, if we formed it into a shape and baked it, we would call it a plate. And if we had it really, really wet, you and I would be paying thousands of dollars for it to be slapped all over our body in a spa. That's what we build a house on. So you can only imagine what it's like to dig down below and create a basement. So that's why we don't do it. So are there places that you can find basements? Yes, there is. And that is where the land is so costly that it does make dollar value sense to go down instead of out. And those homes are called iceberg homes. They're also just split level homes or just a home with a basement. The iceberg ones in particular, you'll find those in super high dollar neighborhoods. Again, because the land is so valuable, it does make sense to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars to dig down, not just one level, but maybe 2 or 3 levels. Quite interesting. So if you're looking to come to Texas and you don't want to give up your basement and you're worried about not having a basement, I hope this answers the question of why there's not a basement here. We do have Texas alternatives, so you don't have to give up that space and you can still live the way you want to live. It might just be wider and longer versus deeper. Hope that helped. Look forward to you joining me next time, or I'll see you next time.